Hi friends, welcome to iInvTech channel. In this video, we are going to cover 5 top apps from tech giants like Google and Microsoft. The first app of the list is called Microsoft Launcher. As you see, I had set Microsoft Launcher as my default home app. It has got many settings to customize. You have options to set wallpaper. The wallpaper can be even set from the Bing wallpaper carousel, which would change the wallpaper of the phone on a single tap. The app supports themes as well. You can select from light, dark or transparent modes. In the transparent mode, you even have the option to change the opacity and the blur effects that can be added to the screens. From the home screen menu, you have options to select or change the icon layout and sizes on the home screen. There is an option to show dock on the home screen as well. Swiping up to expand the dock would even show few quick toggles to turn on the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or torch. The app also supports gestures. You can configure different actions on the gestures. Swiping left on the home screen would bring you to the feed. Here you have options to see the calendars, sticky notes and tasks that are linked to your Microsoft account. There is a newsfeed option as well integrated into the same screen. Give this launcher a try and I'm definitely sure that you would like it. The next app on the list is Google's Opinion Rewards. This app runs on a survey framework wherein Google sends out questionnaires to the users based upon the location history. The app sends you a survey wherein you are going to answer a few questions based upon the search that you made in the Google account. The app notifies the users whenever there is a new survey available to answer. The answers that are provided in the survey would be used to improvise the Google search results. This is the total amount of money that I earned from the app by answering the surveys, which can be used to buy apps on Google Play Store. Remember, the credits have a 1-year expiry period. The next app on the list is SMS Organizer by Microsoft. The main advantage of using this app is that it categorizes the user SMS into 3 different bins such as personal, transactions and promotions. It uses machine learning to categorize these SMS. It can also create reminders based upon the PNRs of trains or flights that you get in the SMS. The app can even read the finance messages and show the balances updated in the finance tab. The offers tab on the app shows different coupons for online stores which can be used while purchases. The messages on your phone can even be backed up to cloud storage. Try this app and get a clutter-free experience for the SMSs on your phone. The next app on the list is Snapseed from Google. Hands down, this is the best photo editing app that your phone can get. The app provides few presets as well as advanced options for you to edit your photos. Let me take this image as an example and show you how the editing works. From the tune image options, you have options to change brightness, contrast, saturation and other settings of an image. Select an option and slide horizontally to change the values. You can long press on the image to see the difference after editing. You even have options to remove few unwanted items using the healing option or options to even add text to the image. Try out the multiple options that this app provides to tune the picture as per your liking. The final app on the list is Microsoft's Office. It is the one-stop app to open different extensions on your phone. It supports extensions like text, PDF, Word, Excel and PowerPoint. There are even options to create PDFs or documents from the Create menu. You have templates to create your resumes or Excel sheets or PowerPoint presentations on the go. The app even provides OCR to extract text and tables from a picture. The app also supports cloud sync with your Microsoft account. Hope you like the content that is shared in this video. Please like and subscribe for more interesting content. Thank you.